Here by Lefebre Bernard in Zulte, East Flanders. Bernard is winning with his blue cock B21 40 77 075, the first national Souillac against 4,637 yearbirds. He's not only the fastest in his category, but it's also the fastest of all Souillac birds, and then we are talking about 9,113 birds. This is a blue cock, small body type, but very good closed vent bones, very good back, and he has a very beautiful eye. It was a very hard race from Souillac. The distance for Bernard is 684 kilometers, and the winning bird made a velocity of 1,224.84 meters per minute. Congrats from the Herbots team to Lefebre Bernard from Zulte.